Why does Facebook ROS drops when you scale? You see these fancy numbers of people showing you can get 10x ROS, 15x ROS, 9x ROS, and then why ROS drop when you start scaling? This question come up so many times when I talk to my clients and hey, why ROS dropping as we are scaling? I will share with you some examples and conditions, right? So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate 34 million in revenue for my clients. So if you want results like this and this, if you want me to run ads for your business personally, click the link below to book a call with me, right? If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment if you have any doubt. I will be more than happy to help you guys. Shoot your problems in the comment section and I will surely help you. So let's start the video. So why does Facebook ROS drops when you scale budget? Everyone who is running ads on Facebook has experienced this drop in ROS at some point of time, or cost of acquisition is increasing, or cost of lead is increasing, and the cost of app install and so on. You get the point, right? More money you spend, less money you make. Why? So I'm gonna give you an example that will make things really simple for you to understand. I want you to think about your local mall where you go and buy groceries or go to shop or maybe eat there. Visualize this thing in your mind. You see so many people walking over there. You passed by the food joint, you smell food, and then you pass by people and you smell cologne. Just visualize this stuff. Put yourself in that spot, right? It can be any mall you like. There are so many people of different culture, different shape. I want you to notice their shirt or shoes, whatever you like. For this sake, I will take example of shirt. I sent you over there and told you, hey, I want you to go and find me one person wearing black shoes or white shirt. Let's keep it white shirt for example, and you have 1 hour to do it. You will be you will be like, okay, I can do it, and you can find that so quickly and easily, right? You will get $100 as a reward if you go find me one person uh, within 1 hour with white shirt on, and I pay you $100. That is the easiest $100 you will make. And now, what if I tell you to find 10 people and it can be, it is not hard, it is easy. Now I tell you to find 100 people in an hour with white shirt on. Now you will be like, oh shit, that's crazy. And now you are getting $100 after the end of 1 hour, but you are only getting $1 per person you find, right? So if you will get $100 but you able to find only 60 people or 70 people, you will get only $70, right? Now, so now of a sudden you are making less money because it's harder to do the task in hand, and it is difficult for you to find people wearing white shirt, 100 people wearing white shirt in an hour. It's it's really difficult. You can do it or you cannot do it. Maybe you find 70 people or 60 people, so you are making less money within 1 hour. And now think of Facebook as the same as you scale, right? This is really important. It become harder for Facebook to find the people who want to purchase your iPhone, and when everybody want an iPhone 15, right? It's harder to find people to purchase your product, that every drop shipper has fucked over and made it difficult for Facebook to find people to buy that product with bad reviews, bad customer journey, more than month to deliver a product with poor fulfillment, and made it extremely difficult for Facebook to find people to buy your product. And similar tasks to find 100 people with white shirt in 1 hour. So that's how you look it from Facebook perspective. So now you understand this concept, right? Now new question come up. How can we increase the possibility of us hitting 100 people in 1 hour? You might be getting questions. So now I can say you to find 100 people wearing either white shirt or black shirt. It can be mixed combo of both the shirts. It can be 50 white shirts or 50 black ones, or 30 black or 70 white, or vice versa. So now it become so now it is easy to find these people in 1 hour, because I have given you a bit more option to find instead of just one. Even now you can even make more money in 1 hour. You understanding my point? Now, so now you can look like this as I can add more products in the account, but I want to look at it as from the Facebook asset point or Facebook ad creative point. It will be harder for Facebook to make money from single asset. How about we give them better assets? We can create multiple assets appealing to different types of people, which make it easier for Facebook to find more people. So the reason why Facebook tend to go down after you send couple of $100 in day, because that ad is only appealing to specific type of people, appealing to a specific type of people who are not responding now, right? We all know Facebook do the Facebook ad do the targeting. So when you spend more, so now you are reaching a lot more people with multiple ad creatives, with different types of people, with different messaging, with different features, with different trigger points, different benefits, with different desire. You can spend significantly more as you are reaching out to more and more people. So now I am not just saying you to find people with white shirt or black one. Now I am saying you to find people who are wearing white shirt, blue shirt, pink shirt, or gray shirt. Now you can point to people in hour so quickly. Just imagine you need to find people who are wearing white shirt, black shirt, and gray shirt, pink shirt. You can easily find those people in single hour, right? It can be you can maybe find 200 people, right? You understanding my point? So it is really simple to understand why Facebook ROS drops when you spend more, and it will be very different for every ad account, because it totally depends on what product you are selling. So let me just tell you an example. I have a client who have a pretty broad appeal in footwear section and targeting women only, and only catering women of every age group, and it's a really huge pool of people who want to buy their product, right? So we went from spending um, 6,000 to 15,000 in just 2 months, and there was no fluctuation in ROS. But on the other hand, I have a client, when I go from 3,000 to 5,000, it completely destroy their ad account and ROS drops significantly, right? And it's because we didn't provide as many assets to Facebook, which is making it difficult for the Facebook to find customer, as the client was not available to give the creatives as she is busy with something. So you try to understand my point. It happens. Every ad account is different and every business is different. You cannot compare any ROS with other business ROS, right? So I hope I made it easy for you guys to understand why Facebook ROAS drops when you start to scale. So with this method, I was able to scale many ad accounts, right? And push the limits. And I would recommend you to test new creatives weekly basis. Don't just increase money, right? Don't just increase the ad spend, increase the ad creatives, provide more better ad assets, right? Create multiple assets, aka ads that convert and resonate with as many people as possible. Thank you.